Lezi insolo zobudedengu ziza ngemuva kokuthi uhlelo lwe-TV iCarte Blanche lunikwe imvume yinkantolo yokuba lusakaze ngeikhalo zeziguli ezisola uDokotela Duze ngobudedengu.
Carte Blanche television show is a tool that was used by Dr. Price Lewis and his gang to tarnish Dr. Duze's image. Does this mean that Carte Blanche is the new regularity body of doctors? As a community of Durban and neighboring areas, we will never allow this to happen again. This TV show is meant to destroy, as it never exposed the good that Dr. Duze has done for our communities in this hospital.
Ezinye zeziguli aseke wazinyanga ngaphambilini ziyaziphikisa lezi insolo.
In 2023, I suffered a heart attack. I was rushed to this hospital as an emergency case, and Dr. Duze was the treating doctor to me. And from what I've experienced, I feel that doctor follows every protocol.
Lesibhedlela sisolwa ngokucwasa odokotela abamnyama.
He is the only black cardiologist. Look, Dr. Vezi is an electrophysiologist. So in the field, they perform different things. But for Dr. Duze, he's highly sought out, very busy. And I think that's exactly where it stems from. They even try to block him in theater most of the time, just to make the working conditions really, really terrible.
Iziguli kanye nabalandeli basola lesibhedlela ngokushiya dengwane iziguli njengoba uDokotela Duze esamisiwe emsebenzini.